suffer from lower back pain? Poor lifestyle choices like smoking, lack of regular exercise, bad food habits, incorrect posture, and many others may be to blame. The pain you feel in your back is most oftentimes caused by having what's known as a slip disc. A slip disc is basically a bulge on one of the discs that are between the tiny vertebrae in your back. Poor lifestyle choices and back trauma are the primary reasons for this condition. When the disc bulges out far enough to press on the nerve, it causes pain, sometimes more severe than others. Pain radiating to the hips, back of the knee, heel, and toes are all pretty common. If you're suffering from lower back pain, the bottom line is that you just cannot neglect it any longer. Good chiropractic care will help you finally find the relief you need and live the pain-free life you deserve. We have years of experience and thousands of satisfied patients. We would love to reduce your pain and have you be our next happy patient. Contact us today.
Okay, so tell me what's going on.
Tension headaches started in last year, November, late November. It was a lot of studying, a lot of late night studying, a lot of stressful environment because of school.
What are you studying?
Nutrition.
Okay.
And I was always, hunched over like that on my computer.
Okay.
So I would notice my back would
Okay.
kind of tense up, be kind of tender.
Okay.
But I never really, thought it would affect my head so much. So, obviously it kept going until around winter break, so December, around Christmas time.
Mm-hmm.
That was when, the headaches started coming on. It would be like a vice grip sort of around the forehead.
Mm-hmm.
And so none of the pain meds was helping.
Okay.
So I thought it was just a migraine.
Okay.
And so winter break was terrible for me. My neck started getting kind of stiff.
Okay.
So I went to a chiropractor because that was the only other option. I was going to Kaiser, but they didn't really help.
Yeah, they'll just give you pain
Yeah, they
medication.
just gave me pain medication. So none of that helped. So I went to a chiropractor. I went to Life Chiropractic West. Because I had a friend that was studying to become a chiropractor.
Mm-hmm.
So they took me in. I saw them for a good 5 months. It's like January.
Mm-hmm.
The first 2 months was good. It helped a lot.
Okay.
The pain went down, substantially. But the 3 or 4 months afterwards, it was kind of plateauing.
Okay.
None of the treatment was helping afterwards.
Did they just work on your neck, or did they adjust your entire spine?
Yeah, they gave me the X-rays. They saw my neck was straight. There's no curve. They said my spine was, I think it was to the left. It was curved to the left or something like that. So they worked on mainly my neck because that's what they thought was the main problem. And then they said, they adjusted my pelvis, my low back,
Mm-hmm.
and then in the middle of all of that, I told them my thoracic was hurting a lot. It was kind of going out of alignment or whatever.
Okay.
And so they said, yeah, that we're gonna adjust pretty much everything
Okay.
for the next few months. And
So just adjustment, nothing else? Any other
nothing
therapies?
else.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the level of headache pain month to time?
It is the lowest I've ever gotten it was 2, but currently now it's around 4 to 5.
Okay.
And the worst was probably 9.
So basically it affects the activities of daily living.
Yeah, it's 24/7 the tension.
That's not good. Okay, lean back. please. Back. Forward again. Okay. Okay. Stand up, please. Face the window. Close your eyes. March in place. Stop. Have a seat, please. Hold this. Okay, so this is you looking at yourself from behind. So
Right.
what's going on with you is that basically your muscles are very tight.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna start from the foundation, and then I'm gonna move up and tell you what's going on with you, okay? So this is the sacrum, which is foundation of the spine. And basically at this point in time, your pelvis is shifted really bad. The right of side of your pelvic rim, which is right here, sacroiliac joint, is about 1.75 inches lower than the left side. So it's kind of like this. So when you stand and the gravity pulls on it, what happens is that the rest of the spine is going to compensate. Your middle back is compensating, and it makes your right shoulder about 1 inch higher than the left side.
Okay.
And then your neck is compensating. There is no range of motion on the left side of your neck at the base, C7, T1. And also your C1 doesn't have much range of motion on the left side, okay?
Okay.
So we need to adjust in 5 different areas. L5, sacroiliac joint on the right,
Mm-hmm.
L5 on the left side, then your middle back, and then the neck on the left side, and upper cervical on the left side. Okay, so all those areas, they need to be corrected. Because if you don't fix the foundation, which looks like it wasn't fixed, who was adjusting it? Was that
Intern.
but was that intern like experienced or just?
Uh,
Because there are different types of interns. I went through the
Yeah.
chiropractic school internship as well,
Yeah.
so there are people.
I think she was there for maybe like 2 years, but she was working under the mentor doctor, of course.
No, I understand, but was the skills good or you wouldn't know?
Probably I wouldn't know.
Okay.
I would say she was, still learning, of course.
Okay.
but-
So basically, it doesn't look like anything was done,
Yeah.
to address it all the way. Maybe originally that's why originally, once you started getting the care, you started your symptoms have gone down.
Yeah.
But biomechanically, the
Okay.
things were not fixed at 100%.
Gotcha.
It's like you taking a car to a mechanic, and they fix only like I don't know half of the things that was wrong with the
Yeah.
car. Then you drive, it drives, but it just drives. It doesn't have that full performance,
Gotcha.
that the
Yeah,
car needs.
that's a good explanation.
So that's why you experiencing what you. I'm not saying that anything was done wrong. It just wasn't done at 100%.
Okay.
Besides the point, the muscular system was not addressed. They just give you an adjustment, but
Mhm.
you have tension headaches, which is also what's happening with that. The muscles that attach to the base of the skull, they are also attached to the dura, which is a little covering that covers the brain. When those are tight, they pull the dura. Once they pull the dura, they create headaches.
Yeah.
So if those muscles are not massaged
Uh-huh.
at certain level and they're not reset, they will continue to be pulling. So, like I said, car halfway fixed, the body
Yeah.
halfway done.
Okay.
I mean, they don't address these things at the clinic. They just want to get the credits. I've been there, done it. So, I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah.
They just.
Okay. Well, I'm glad. to hear that.
It's not that the intern was wrong. It's
Yeah,
just
yeah.
it's just the way they run things over
Okay.
there. I mean, it's bad, but
Yeah.
but it is what it is. So basically, those are the 5 things that need to be addressed. I'm not saying I'll be able to fix it in one go,
Mhm.
because an 1.75 inch difference in pelvic level means that the problem has been there for a long time.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do the whole thing. I'm gonna set you up a heat and steam first to relax your muscles. Then I'm gonna adjust, and I'm gonna see my massage therapist to reset it. So I'd say maybe a couple of sessions, 2-3
That's awesome.
sessions.
We're gonna do that today. Starting to.
Yeah, we're gonna do the treatment today, but you
Okay.
might have to come back maybe a few more times.
Yeah. No, I've
Uh,
been doing
to-
that for a long time. So.
You just you just want to
I'm-
get fixed.
Yeah. I'm really
Committed.
Yeah.
Okay. So those are the things that need to be done. So to get you to
Sounds like a
100%,
plan.
and
Alright.
you do exercise.
I exercise, well, prior to the tension headaches, I was exercising 7 days a week.
Mm-hmm.
And then now that I've had these headaches, it's really hard to
Yeah,
even
you
get.
don't have enough energy.
Yeah.
To,
So I would say 3 to 4 days, I try my best.
That's still good.
Yeah.
Well, let's see where we're at after today's treatment,
Alright.
and then we'll go from there. Any questions?
No,
No?
I totally understand.
Okay, cool.
Alright.
Okay. How was it?
Good.
Good. Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay, go on each side, face me, please. Like to sleep on this side. Okay. Okay, relax. Look towards the wall. Okay, I'm gonna adjust your side jaw, and you're gonna have a feeling that you're gonna be falling off the table. So just relax, okay? Relax your shoulder. Okay. Sit up.
Yes.
Different?
Yeah, a lot different.
Gail, can you take off too, please? Okay. Relax your neck.
Yes.
Here. Okay. Now let's do the lumbar spine.
Alright.
Go ahead, lie on this side. Face the wall. Okay. And then your feet. How does it
Good.
feel?
Loose.
A little bit different?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.